Welcome back to the channel. I'm Robert and this is the Project Nomad, and today we finally got our Swaybar links for the 3rd gen 4runner. So let's get into it. So whenever anyone lifted up a 3rd gen 4runner, you could get away with a budget Swaybar link system, mainly because half of it was already on the vehicle. All you needed to do was remove the front links and then get the rear links and move them up front, mainly because the rear links were an inch longer than the front. And then you would just get 2nd generation 4runner rear end Swaybar links and put them in the rear, because those ones are an inch longer than the OEM rear ones. But in our case, the rear ones are pretty roached and it's not worth moving them up to the front because the boots are torn on both of them and the bushings are pretty much cracked and roached and hardened on both of them. This one more apparent, with the boot actually spilling out grease almost the entire circumference of the boot, and these ones are also cracked and brittle. So what we ended up doing was just ordering 4 of these, which were the 2nd generation 4runner rear end Swaybar links, and they are, in comparison, pretty much an inch longer than, or several inches longer than, what the rear OEM ones were for the 3rd gen. But it is as simple as installing these and calling it a day. These are pretty much the same system. There isn't really much of a difference. All you need to do is crawl underneath and install them like you would with the OEM or aftermarket. But we also decided to order 4 because, well, we can't use the old ones for the front, so we ordered 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got the Swaybar links installed fully on both sides now, and I took the 4runner out for a drive and it fits perfectly fine with the rest of the bumper now and all the rear suspension done. It actually rides a whole lot better now since that we actually lifted it up. It's pretty good now. But overall, I just wanted to do a very quick video on the Swaybar links from the 2nd gen 4runner that you can use on your 3rd gens. Mainly because these are $6 roughly per corner, and I know that there are higher quality Swaybar links, but for $200-300 I really can't justify spending that for a rig that I'm going to use for the trail, and it's something that's not going to see absolute hell and be abused consistently, considering this is still a daily driver that we use on the streets. I can't justify it, but this is just me showing you a budget way of getting Swaybar links for lifted up 3rd gens. So if you like this type of content and would like to follow this 4runner get built up, please like, comment, and follow. And until next time, be safe and tread lightly.